In this question, we're asked to calculate the probability or theoretical probability of throwing the following on a fair die. So that means all of the sides have an equal chance of occurring. So here we're asked for part A to work out the probability of throwing a 2, for part B, probability of throwing an even number, and part C, probability of throwing a number more than 3. So when we think about the solution for A, 2 can only occur once out of 6 possible outcomes. So we can write that the probability of throwing a 2, and we think back of the formula for working out theoretical probability. So there's only one way of obtaining a 2, so we would say 1 divided by, and there are 6 possible outcomes, so that's the denominator. For part B, the probability of obtaining an even score when you throw the die, well, there's 2, 4, and 6. Those are all the even possibilities. So when we think about the probability of working out all even numbers on a fair die, there are 3 possible ways of obtaining even numbers out of a total of 6 possible faces. Now we could simplify this to a half. And the probability of C, the probability of obtaining more than a 3 when you throw a fair die, well, with that would mean you could obtain, say, a 4, a 5, or a 6. Well, there are only 3 possible outcomes there, so that would mean probability more than 3. 3 possible outcomes, that would be the numerator, and the total number of all outcomes is 6 faces. So this again would be a half.